Hi, this is Ruchika Sachdeva, and I'm the founder and creative director of a clothing brand called Borders. And I'm here to give a masterclass on how I make my clothes, how I design my clothes, how I build this brand, basically. And I'm hoping that this will help you to create your own clothes. Because I feel like what we wear, clothing for us is a language through which we speak even without opening our mouth. It's the first language that we use in order to communicate who we are and what we stand for. So here I am talking about how I make clothes, what I keep in mind while making my clothes, and hopefully you'll be able to take away something from here. Before I start to design something, before I start to, put elements on my creations, I really think about what is it that I want to focus on? What is it that is really important to me? And a lot of times it's form and function, it's about comfort, and I try to focus on those elements rather than decorating my garments because for me that's more important. So behind me, we have our autumn winter collection. Now the season is changing in Delhi, and we have a slight nip in the air, which we are all really enjoying. I personally like to do a twist on classics because I love classics. I love a solid black, I love a solid white, navy, maroon, the classic colors. But how can I add certain value to them by making them slightly newer, a different perspective on them? While I'm making clothes, I also keep in mind the life of the garment, right? By that, I don't just mean how long is it going to last for in terms of the material, but I mean in terms of the design. Because I particularly feel that if I pay too much attention to trends while I'm designing clothes, then the woman who buys my clothes is gonna want to, perhaps not wear it after 6 months. And that for me is not a compliment. So I really try to make sure that I use solid colors. I, have lesser elements in it. I'm not overpowering her senses so much that she gets bored with it after a little bit of time. So longevity is very important. Also, as much as I choose what I really want to put on my garment in terms of design elements, I feel it's very important for us to choose how much we're buying, how much we're consuming. I think for me, I much more prefer having garments that I can pair with a lot of other things. I can style in many different ways. I can wear for different seasons so that I can take much more wear out of it. I think it's high time we start thinking about the impact that our choices, both in terms of making clothes and wearing clothes, goes, the impact that we're having, on the environment and the nature. I think it's high time we start to pay attention to it and we start to question our consumption. Now I'll take you through a few pieces from this collection. One of my favorites is the skirt. I love pleats and lines. But the thing with this is we've almost done a bit of a cut and paste job here. We've pretty much taken two skirts and put it in one. And what I love is the way it opens when you move. When you sit down, it almost, accommodates for the bending legs, for the knees, and I have also, and I love pairing it with something like this. So, this top, for example, has so much volume on the sleeves, but it's quite fitted on the waist. So, it creates a bit of a proportion play. And again, I love the top stitching, which follows the anatomical lines of the body here. Something as simple as a shirt dress, right? It comes with a belt. You can pinch it, you can let it be. It's a beautiful brown, which I think is a warm tone for the winters. And we've done a multicolored binding here. So instead of it just being one color, it has multiple colors. And then it sort of frames the neck very beautifully, almost outlines it using two shades. And then we have this sort of V-neck dress, super flattering on the neck. And it has these pleats which sort of move very nicely. So it's the combination of movement but with geometry and lines, which I love because it almost creates a bit of a contrast. Now this is a classic black blouse which is made out of silk. So it smoothly flows on your body. And I have this sort of black pants to go with it. And I feel like it's always good to invest in good classics in your wardrobe. So a good black shirt, a good classic white blouse, you know, a Chinese collared neck. It gives you an option of sort of closing it to frame it or open it, to let a bit of a collarbone. I also think about what are the needs of the woman who's going to wear these clothes, right? So we're talking about a modern woman. We're talking about the woman who's breaking barriers, is really going out and trying to do things which perhaps have not been done before. So can I provide her with almost like an armor that she can wear when she's going to the real world and fighting certain battles? So it's important for me that it's strong, it's confident, it's measured elements. I always question how much is enough. Am I putting certain design elements on my garment because I think that it needs to be there, or am I putting it because I feel like I'm not confident about my garment? So this question is very important for me. I try and make sure that for a perfect design, nothing can be removed from it. So I'm not questioning what more can be added to it, but I'm really thinking, is there anything which is extra? Because for me, it's all about questioning how much is enough. So while you're designing a collection, we always start with a vision. But when you get to the real world and you start to sell your collections, a lot of times especially when you're trying to do something which is new, which doesn't exist before, you're going to find a lot of challenges while selling it in order to survive and sustain the brand. But I think it's so important to stick to your vision and consistently do what you really believe in. And over a period of time, you'll see that people will start to understand it. You will create awareness around it. If you really believe in something, then I feel consistency is the key. And you will be able to communicate it to people, and maybe it takes a little bit longer, but it will be a success.